Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a minimal environment and verifying Tor before first run. Download the Tor browser and verify its signature and checksum. This prevents tampered copies. Once installed, create a clean user account or VM to isolate traffic and remove or disable plugins like Flash. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so you get security fixes. Also set a strong passphrase on your device. If your machine is compromised, Tor alone cannot protect your identity. You now configure and use Tor in ways that minimize de-anonymization risks. Stick to Tor browser defaults because changing fonts, window size, or enabling scripts increases fingerprinting. Keep the security slider at safest when needed. Only route web traffic through Tor browser. Do not proxy your email client or torrent app through Tor, as they leak data. If Tor is blocked on your network, configure bridges and verify connectivity before accessing sensitive sites. Once done, you finish by maintaining safe habits and knowing how to respond to issues. Avoid logging into services that tie to your real identity. Use separate throwaway accounts and anonymous email. If a site reveals your IP or other data, stop, then inspect browser extensions, proxy settings, and DNS leakage. These are common culprits. If problems persist, update Tor browser, request a new circuit or identity, or reinstall from a verified download source. And remember, strong operational security complements Tor for true anonymity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.